What is a DPF and why is maintaining it important? Diesel particulate filter, or DPF, is an exhaust after-treatment device that traps particulate matter such as soot and ash, the byproducts of burning diesel fuel. Failure to properly care for the DPF could cause engine malfunction and breakdown, increased fuel consumption, the voiding of your DPF warranty, or being non-compliant with air pollution laws, which could lead to fines. DPF regeneration is not the same as DPF cleaning. Our Kenworth Master Certified technicians recommend cleaning your DPF every 200,000 miles. Kenworth of Ashland and Kenworth of Richfield utilize the FSX equipment line of DPF cleaning machines. First, the filter is inspected and weight and flow is measured. Next, the DPF is inserted into the pneumatic cleaning machine where bidirectional scanning air knives clean each cell on both sides of the filter. The lower air nozzle targets the hardened ash plug, causing it to break apart. The upper air nozzle blows out the loosened material. If clogs still exist, the filter is then baked to remove any remaining soot deeply set in the ceramic cell walls. This cleaning process can take as little as 22 minutes. The baking process, if needed, takes 24 hours to complete. DPF preventative maintenance can help keep your truck rolling. Contact us to schedule your DPF cleaning appointment at Kenworth of Ashland or Kenworth of Richfield.